Guys, we're filling up with gas right now. Alam nyo kung magkano? 175.9. Ayun, this is sa Esso. Malapit dun sa grocery store. Mahal, di ba? Pipick upin ko si Bunso ngayon. Lalagyan ko ng $30 tong jeep natin. $30 ang kaya natin ngayon dahil sobrang mahal eh. Ayan So $30 automatic. Kailan kaya bababa itong presyong to? Ayun ako. Lalo na itong jeep na to, ang lakas sa gasolina. Minsan ko lamang ginagamit eh, so it's okay. Alright, let's go guys. So ito guys, nilagyan ko ng $30. Tignan nyo kung gaano kadaming gasolina. Gets you $30. So just a little bit over a quarter of a tank. Just a little bit over. Ay nako. Siguro it's probably gonna get me, I don't know, maybe it's gonna get me 120 kilometers or $30. Sakit, diba? Aray mo. Ganun ang buhay ngayon dito sa Canada. Nagmahal ang gas dahil dun sa gera sa Middle East, dahil binomba nung USA, yung Iran, and there's a whole bunch of crap going on over there that affected everything, including gas price. Most importantly, gas price. And problema dito, pag tumaas yung gasolina, lahat tumataas. So, ganun talaga, walang magagawa eh. Let's go pick up Bunso. Ayun, kita mo yun, no? Ayun, kalasunduin natin ngayon dahil meron siyang voice class. Gustong kumanta ni Bunso. This is her school. Let's go get some pizza. Inutusan ko si Bunso pumunta dun sa looban ng No Frills dun. Wala na kaming gatas. Wala nang gatas sa bahay. Tingnan natin kung ano-ano pa kukunin niya. Alam nyo ba guys, itong plazang to, naka-history namin dito. Dahil doon sa kabila ng plaza, next door to that high school, doon kami nakatira dati. Yeah. Yung pinakauna naming apartment doon sa Brantford, dito sa Brantford, nung lumipat kami as a family. I think it was like 2004, 2005 maybe, around there, I can't remember. Sila misis lumipat dito from Scarborough, and I had to go get a 2-bedroom 1-bathroom apartment, 5th floor. Alam niyo kung magkano renta namin dati? It was $625 all inclusive. The neighborhood wasn't that great, but you know what? Everybody starts somewhere, right? Kaya pag dumadaan kami dito, I can't help but look or pass by, because it brings back a lot of good memories when times were a lot simpler, diba? Anyways, yeah. Story down memory lane, or ano tawag doon? Strolling down memory lane. Hey boss, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, man. Can I get the pickup special, the $9 medium?
Yes. Pepperoni?
Can you put sausage instead?
Yeah.
That's fine. If you can put extra sauce, is that okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. Visa, please. 10 minutes? Can I just grab our receipt, boss? I'll come back, okay? Thank you so much. So guys, ito, pinabili ko lang ng gatas. Dapat yun $6, right? I gave her my credit card para tap. Kung ano-ano pinagkukuha. Why, baby, why?
Ano?
Ano? Anyways, remember sabi ko sa inyo, dito kami nakatira dati? Ikadaanan natin. Pakita ko sa inyo apartment building namin dati. Nila misis. It's over here. So ito yung daanan papunta dun sa likod. Yung apartment namin dati, it was right beside this high school right here. This is, anong high school to? This is
PJ, Pauline Johnson.
PJ, that's right. Take a shot at PJ over there. So, tandaan ko, this is like the very first high school na meron silang daycare para sa mga bata. Nagulat ako nung nakita ko yun dahil, oh my God, high school. Nakakabuntis yung mga tao, yung mga babae, nakakaanak-anak dito. So, kita niyo yung tatlong building na yun?
Oh, it's off.
No, it's fine. Kita niyo yung tatlong building na yun, guys? Nakatira kami dun sa pinakauna. And I'll take you for a tour, okay? So, dito kami pumapasok dati. Ayan. Sabi nila, etong building na to, yung pinakauna, yun ang pinakamaganda. But, you know, that's open to debate. Oh my God, they need to fix the driveway here. Puro bako-bako, puro butas. So, this is building number 1. And building number 2 is down at the front. Dito kami na, this is building number 2 right here. Okay? Punta tayo sa building number 1. Ano ba yan? Pati itong kotse sa harapan namin, no, iniiwasan yung mga butas-butas. I guess di pa nila napapagawa ito mula nung ginawa itong building complex na to. Oh, dito maganda. Ito yung side namin. So, dito ako naka-park dati. Yung parking spot ko used to be right here, number 23. Ayun, no? Right there, number 23. And ito yung building namin yan. So, yung apartment namin, kami tatlo nung nila Mrs. Panganay namin si Mrs. tsaka si ako. Doon sa pinakataas, the 5th floor. 5th floor, doon sa pinakataas ng the 5th floor. We were unit 505. And dito kami nagkumpisa. You know, it wasn't the nicest building, but you know what? It was home, right? Dati, merong Price Chopper grocery store dito. Tapos yung pathway, butas to eh. Merong pathway dito papunta din sa grocery store. Dito kami naglalakad ni Daniel para pumunta dun sa grocery store. Tsaka dun sa pizza. Oh, not pizza, it's Mario's Pizza. Dito kami lumalabas, oh. Yan. So, if you count 5 up, we're right on the very corner up. On the very corner of the building. So, yeah. Ito yung tirahan namin. It's called the Linwood Apartments dito sa Brantford. And, tandaan ko dati, naglalakad kami. Pag tanghali, kaming tatlo. And itong mga bahay na yan, kita mo yan, yung mga bahay na yan. Yan. Panaginip lang sa amin dati yan. I always used to dream about owning one of these houses dahil, you know, it's everybody's dream to own a house one day, right? And pangarap ko dati, panaginip ko was to own one of those. And sa awa ng Diyos, over the years, we were able to make some goals come true, right? And right here, guys, this is Mohawk Park. Mohawk Park, diyan nagpa-party yung mga Pilipino pag summertime. Ang laking party diyan, as in sobrang laking party. Hahanda-handa sila ng kung ano-ano. Tapos dinadayo kami ng mga tao from other cities, right? Gusto rin mag-McDonald's ni Bunso. Kita nyo guys, Pioneer Gas Station 175.9. Nagpa-gas ako kanina, di ba? 175, 176, ganun din. So, can't escape it. Ganun talaga presyo ngayon. Meron daw siyang coupon sa McDonald's. 2 Big Macs for $9. So, lilibre niya ako ng isa. Ayos. Show me.
Yeah, I just placed this one.
Do you have to get it through here?
Yeah.
Show me how to do this.
Do you not know how to use the kiosk?
No, I don't
Oh.
go to McDonald's.
Do you know how to use this anywhere?
No,
No?
I'm gonna have to learn because summertime's coming. 99-cent cones,
So you
right?
go in the app and then you wait for your code.
Hmm.
And
Okay.
You put your code in like that,
Sure.
then you press that, and now you're logged in.
Okay.
Then you press takeout.
Don't
if
you have to
want
press English?
No.
Dumbass.
And then you want ice cream?
How much is it?
Free, because I have points.
Well, I'll get one if it's free.
Okay, have some ice cream.
Yes.
And then I'm gonna get a coupon, because I have this coupon. And now I'm gonna see if my Apple Pay works now, because I updated my phone.
What about your Big Macs?
I placed it online.
Okay. Give me my cone.
Can I use your card for the 284?
Really?
Look,
Really? You need my card? There.
your ice cream free.
So really, you didn't like buy me ice cream. You made me pay for my own ice cream.
No, your ice cream is free.
No, you made me pay for it.
You want a $2 coin? It's so weird.
Get my
This
cone.
doesn't stand.
I thought you were gonna buy me ice cream. You ended
I
up
could
making
do
me
it.
pay for it.
I could do it online.
That's okay, honey. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great night.
Yeah.
Oh, they give you lots of stuff.
Yeah, I can't drive the Jeep with this. Let me go sit down. Go. Let me eat it first. This will end up on my shirt if you make me drive now. That's so good.
Want to dip a fry in it?
Huh?
Dip that.
Dip it. Ayun guys, oh. Nilibre daw ako kunyari nitong... She asked me kung gusto daw ko ng ice cream. Sabi ko, oo. Sabi niya, magkano? Daddy, it's free. Sure. Free daw. Tapos, all of a sudden, parang milagro, hindi gumagana yung card niya. So she goes, Daddy, can I borrow your card? So really, libre ba to o hindi? Ako rin pinagbayad eh. Waiso. Ayan na, waiso. But, it's okay.
Eat it with this.
No! That's disgusting, man.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Did you apply here before?
Yeah, they rejected me like 3 times because I'm 15.
Well, you're 16 in a couple months.
Yeah.
You're gonna apply again?
Yeah.
Alam niyo guys, in about a month or 2 months,
My
eto,
birthday's in July. Oh, that.
I'm not talking about you right now. I'm talking about this. This is more important.
That's July. No, it's June.
It's June, right? Every summer, etong, I call this my crack. Nagiging piso to pag summer. Hopefully, piso ulit this summer coming up in a couple months. Dahil ngayon magkano to? I think this is $2, di ba? So piso to all summer round. Hopefully, hindi na apektuhan ng gera, ng gasolina. Sana hindi tumaas to. But this is my favorite. So good. So honey, how much was your Big Mac?
It's 2 for $9. Because the Raptors scored 12 points. And they give you coupons when the Raptors score.
So every time the Raptors win, McDonald's has got a promo.
Yeah, like 5 different coupons.
So you can ruin your nails that you just paid $40 for,
I can wash my hands.
digging into like some dirty Big Mac.
I can wash my hands.
Open it, I haven't seen a Big Mac in so long.
Did it get smaller?
Ooh, look at that. Look at that. It's a little messy, but it's still good. I have a story about the Big Mac. So, ito yung story ako guys. Kaya sa Pilipinas kami, bihira kami makalabas dahil, you know, budget. You know, we come from very humble beginnings, right? So, yung mga burger na natikman ko sa Pilipinas, yung ginagawa lang sa bahay ng mami ko. Bibili siya ng giniling, form a burger patty, and then ipiprito, di ba? But yung mga fast food, hindi ako nakatikim. Sa Jollibee siguro, pero McDonald's hindi ako nakatikim. So, nung naglanding kami sa Canada, nung bata ako, pinakaunang fast food na restaurant na dinala ko ng papa ko was McDonald's. So, on Christie and Vaughan, right on the intersection, nandun pa rin sila. Yung Big Mac dati, ano yata? $1.69, parang ganun, or it was like really cheap. Sinubukan ko isa. Nagustuhan ko. Sabi ng papa ko, uy. Sabi ng papa ko, do you want another one? So nakadalawa ako. Gutom pa rin. Nakatatlo ako. Nakaapat na Big Mac ako, guys. Very first time I had it, it was so good. And mas malaki dati. It was a little bit bigger. Well, actually, it was much bigger. Shrinkflation, right? But the taste is the same. And kaya lumabas si Kuya Puto ng ganito kalaki. Ang dami kong Big Mac na kinain parang ganito. Kaya lagi kong pinagsasabihan ko, sabi ko sa kanya, huwag masyadong kumakain yan. Dahil, you know, you have to take care of your health and your body, right? But yeah, that's my Big Mac story. Apat, my very first experience, you know, walking into McDonald's ever in my life, nakaapat na Big Mac ako. You gonna give me a bite? No, it's okay. It's messy. Look at your nails, honey. Your nails are disgusting now. Hey, use a napkin. Ayan guys, oh. Pioneer 175.9, diesel is 229.9. Mahal, di ba? Let's go home na bago gumasta pa ng lalo tong si babae.